Hey folks, welcome back! Today I'm sharing my ultimate Windows optimization pack, built by me and tested on my daily PC so it's safe and stable. Don't worry, no important tools like snipping tool or clipboard will break here. Before we jump in, quick heads up, usually when you mess with tweaks like these, some Windows features might stop working. But I'm running all these on my main machine with zero issues. It's mostly about cutting latency and boosting performance without breaking stuff. Alright, let's dive in. 1. Background all extra services.bat. This one kills all the extra background services that sneakily hog your CPU and RAM. Basically, it clears out freeloaders so your PC can breathe easier. You'll feel your system run lighter right away. Moving smoothly to background scheduler task.bat. This tweak stops those hidden scheduled tasks Windows loves to run behind the scenes. They slow you down even when you're not really doing much. This keeps them in check and frees up resources for the stuff you actually care about. Okay, now I know this video is getting long, and I get it. Nobody really wants to sit through all 26 tweaks one by one. Instead of watching me run every single file, just download the full pack and run them yourself when you have time. Here's a quick tip though. Those .reg and .bat files are divided into 12 segments for easier management. If you head to the time-saving folder inside the pack, I'll open it here, you'll see 12 files. Just run each of those .bat files as administrator, right-click Run as admin, and you're basically done with most of the heavy lifting. In that part, if you're using an older version of ISLC, I included a preset that you can just paste inside ISLC and it'll auto-configure everything for you. But if you're running the latest ISLC version 1.0.2.6, like I am here on my desktop, things are a bit different. We created a new config file called Intelligent Standby List Cleaner islc.exe.config for this newer version. It's basically a configuration file that you drop inside the ISLC folder, and it takes care of the settings automatically when you run ISLC. You can also right-click on this config file and open it with Notepad to tweak some values. For example, the FreeMemory setting should be about half your actual RAM. Like me, I have 32 GB, so I set it to 16,000. If you have an older PC, say an i7 4th gen or less, you might want to change the PollingRateSTR from 500 to 250. That makes ISLC check and clean standby memory more aggressively, which can help on slower machines. Once you save your changes, ISLC will load your custom settings automatically every time you launch it. To close ISLC, just right-click its tray icon and choose Exit. Or, if it's being stubborn, kill it from Task Manager. And that's basically it. Your PC should now be running leaner, faster, and more responsive. Just so you know, what we did today covers about 60% of all the possible optimizations. There's still stuff like BIOS tweaks, undervolting, deep kernel editing, but those are risky and honestly not needed for most mid to high-end systems. If you want me to dive deeper into those advanced tweaks, drop a comment and I'll think about making a detailed series. For now, apply the tweaks, reboot your PC, and enjoy the difference. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe Xplody FPS for more tutorials like this one. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.